Hello everyone, this is Betty from Korean Package. To increase our efficiencies of paperboard assemblies, our factories introduced a new set of automatic machines. Let's go to see how it works. For the first one, after we put the cover into the machine, it can make the covers assembled for the four corners. As you can see, this is the before. After finish, the four corners is assembled. The next one is our automatic box wrapping machine. Through this machine, we can wrap the surface textures on the cupboard. And obviously, the machines can replace the manual labels. And then it can control the quality, and our lead times can be guaranteed. As you can see, in this machine, one assembly line just needs 1% to control, so it can really lower our labor cost. So for the bulk orders, we'll use this assembly line and this machine to let our efficiencies improve dramatically. If you don't need that much quantities, you can assemble the box on the assembly lines. For this assembly lines, we will assemble the box through our hands, so we can support small quantities, small orders. To meet the needs of different customers, we can support different quantities. For the bulk orders, we can use these machines to assemble the box. And small quantities is available in our factories. Contact us, you can share more details. Bye.